This video from CASIOSe-S10 will demonstrate how to clear the error message E81. If error message E81 appears on the display, it means the electronic journal memory is full. To get rid of the message, you need to run the electronic journal report. To do this, turn the key round to the Z position. Then on the 0 to 9 keypad, type in 58 and press the cash amount 10 button. The electronic journal report will now be issued. Once the report's been issued, you can remove it and turn the key back around to the reg position where the till should now operate. For more information on CASIO SE-S10 and other Casio cash registers, please visit casiohelp.co.uk.